One Nigeria army that fight during the Biafra war. The man don come outside say wetin him eye see for that war no be small thing o. He say that the Biafra armies are very very strong. That the only thing that made them not to win Nigeria because they don't have foreign help. If they have foreign help, there would be no Nigeria today. The man talk am. He say he experience Ogbunigwe and other things wey happen through that. You need to watch this video and make sure say you share the video for record purposes. Share the video. Watch. You need to watch this video. No need to talk too much. Just watch the video and share.
How would you describe Biafran soldiers at the early stage of the war?
No. Now, for even keeping Nigeria with all the armament and all, for 3 years, they've tried.
They tried.
They tried. They were very tactical too. Very tactical. But then, they were always very mindful of the strength and the superiority in arms.
The superiority in arms.
No,
Nigeria was well armed.
No, we were using British and American this thing, where they solely dependent on Chinese and Chinese weapons.
And Chinese weapons were not as good.
No, not as good as British or American.
So they were dislodged in a hole, like they were dislodged from Ore. So from a hole, the movement
to Asaba, 150 miles or 100 and something.
And it was a free movement.
No. No. Can never be a free movement.
They were still on the road.
They were on the road. And where it was possible for us to sail on a vehicle, we move. When we are attacked, we have to clear that something before leaving.
How do military clear an area? How do you do that?
When you have a pin down, when you are fired, when you notice the appearance of enemy, they will fire. How do you notice them? They keep on firing you. Then what do? You will be pinned down and continue to do what you know how to do best. What you know how to do best. And it can take you days, it can take you 1, 2, 3 days, but you have to clear that portion of enemy before.
How do you clear it? How is it cleared? You fire back?
Yes, you fired back.
With better weapons?
Even whatever they were using at that time, even Ogbunigwe was not a weapon. Whatever can kill.
Did you experience Ogbunigwe attack?
I know. Why not?
Can you tell me about Ogbunigwe?
Ogbunigwe is pieces of iron, pieces of bottle, pieces of and to be ignited by petrol. Then it's thrown wherever it is landed. Pieces of iron, pieces of this clustered together. It's a weapon.
And it was a dangerous weapon.
Very, very. When something is a weapon, it's dangerous.
So when 2nd Division got to Asaba, what then happened?
Yes, Asaba. Well, we captured Asaba October 5, 1967. But do you know, right from Eho, we were forced to pin down at behind St. Patrick. No, St. Patrick is in Asaba. I don't know whether it's very close to Asaba. That time it was just like a kilometer plus. But I don't know whether St. Patrick is inside Asaba now. But that time
it's also close to Okpanam.
Yes, close to that area.
Yeah, Zogu was from Okpanam.
Yes. Yeah, we had an encounter in his town. Okay. Okpanam. But we still stayed through. We cleared the pocket of enemy and we stayed through till we got to St. Patrick. 4th of October, 1967. 4th.
So when you got to St. Patrick,
yes, it rained around 6. We were forced to pin down.
so when it rained, what did you do? You go into hideout?
Well, if there is a hiding out portion,
You take over buildings in areas you capture?
that is where you have buildings. What of if where we do not have buildings?
So what do
You do that in a build-up area. What do you do when you have no build-up area?
So what do
In
you
the
do?
bush, you remain there? Will you
And rain we
rain beat you and get dried again and again? Eh? What do you do?
How do you eat?
No, we eat.
Who brings the food?
No, it's the same soldiers. We have people at the rear, far.
Okay.
They will cook, make the cooking, then brought them down where motor can, they are at a cleared area, an area where we consider safe, but no area is very safe because flying bullet can still kill them there. Flying bullet can fly over the troops at Feba, front edge of battle area, and hit somebody behind. So nowhere is properly safe, but only God is safe human being. So they will cook, bring either 2 head or whatever it is. You cannot fight without eating now.
So you have to withdraw those on the front to go and eat. So while they are eating, you move some others.
No, you cover their movement.
How do you do that?
You don't move forward. If you capture the place, you pin down.
Okay. What
If
pin
possible,
down is
you
possess it.
Yes, you make all-round defense and wait for further instruction. It may be you will be asked to proceed or give chance. Now, for example, when Agbo was captured, my commander, Godwin, was telling us that he would have been the one to capture Agbo, if not the nasty experience he had at Eho. If Eho had been a sail through, he would have been the one to capture Agbo.
Who then captured Agbo?
I'm told it's 8th Brigade.
Okay.
So he came and he said he would have been the one to capture Agbo. So when we got to the junction, Agbo Junction, we were asked to move. That is, those who captured Agbo were mandated to pin down and give chance to 7th Brigade to go ahead. So if you capture a place and you are instructed to pin down, you pin down. If you are instructed to proceed, another group will be coming to take over where you've captured. Otherwise, that place could still be recaptured by the enemy. So that is how it is.
On the war front, is there a break? Do they say, okay, Lieutenant Colonel Ajayi, can you withdraw and have a break and let others proceed?
Yes, it happens that way. That's the example I've just given. If 8th Brigade had captured Agbo and was asked to pin down and give way to 7th Brigade to proceed, that's all.
So when they are pinning down, they are resting?
Are they resting?
And that's what I'm trying to say. So the soldiers, when the soldiers
you
give
rest?
off...
No, nothing like resting. Everything will be going simultaneously. You don't rest.
You don't sleep?
How will you sleep? As I'm speaking with you now, I don't know. I don't sleep at night.
You don't?
I can never sleep at night.
Why?
It's because of that nasty experience I had at Onono. You are fond of sleeping. Somebody will just crawl very close to you. I was another rank. I was a sergeant. Somebody will cross close to you and cut, because if he fired, that sound of that firing will have attracted people to know that somebody will come. They can cut people's head like 7.
That happened?
It happened. It happened like that.
War is nasty.
War is bad. I don't pray for war. War, like General Crystal said, you know, if you are positioning people, you are protecting the lives of people, but opening your own life to risk, to danger. You take over here, you cover me here, I'm going there. He will take over. Bullet will not meet him. But you, who is positioning them, you open yourself to risk.
My wonderful people, please, I want you to share this video so that other people will see they get the information and know what they go on. You know, this is a history that everybody needs to learn. It's better they are saying how stronger our grandfather is, how stronger that our fathers is. So for those of you now, where if they turn and they are going to finish also, you need to watch this video. You need to share this video to that person when leg they shake for ground, because we are born to be a hero, we are born to be a warrior, and that is who we are. Share this video for more updates.